The final events of the week is a cooking class at the chopping block. Teams will be judged on presentation and taste of the final dish that they put together.
We're going to be doing some grilled chicken shawarma, a tabbouleh salad with quinoa, tzatziki sauce, broiled shrimp, with some tomatoes and some feta and some breadcrumbs. So we ready? Go ahead and get started.
You gotta cut it in small pieces, you said. Let Sasha do it. Look at Sasha.
Sasha's got it down.
He's got it dialed in, dude. Kinda like the smell, though. Is that too? I feel like there's a lot of lemon. Yeah. Is it not? You pour that whole thing on?
Nice and good. Put some pepper on it.
Hey, see, I like there's some on like the side of the bowl. Like rub the chicken on there. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
This looks healthy. Looks super healthy. Oh yeah.
Last year, lost and had enough salt.
Should we taste test?
Jeez.
It's actually really good.
No, I'm not a fan of quinoa.
Dude, it's not that salty. It is not that salty. Dude, we got like the smallest. Yeah, it's a lot of lemon, I feel like.
Good. Money.
Hey, excuse me? How'd you do it again?
Dude, I didn't realize there's so much water.
You think it's good with salt?
Oh yeah. This is looking good, man.
I'm gonna take a look. Oh, dude. Theirs looks good, but we just gotta focus on our own and just keep doing our thing. You know, head down, just going into battle, but we're gonna win. We're gonna win. Yeah. Hey, how should we cut these?
Dude, they're hard to cut. Mine's not cutting.
Just a little bit. Yes. Hey, that's the key.
Hey, how'd you guys get the grill marks on those?
This might be another last place finish.
No, dude, we're winning this.
Yeah, dude.
Ours looks perfect, actually. That looks so gassed.
The pepper in the sauce.
What do you think? Good?
Only one team will leave with the win, but there's plenty of good food to go around. There's reason for optimism within the Blackhawks organization. With another draft of talented prospects joining the pipeline, the team's future continues to be bright.